I think someone's in our house. Mark! 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 Mark!
Good day donation. Good day donation.
Good day donation.
So this morning I shot a video with my buddy Peaks. Here's a little look. And as I was shooting, I look across and I see Arnie doing this. Where do you get the strength, Arnie?
Lots of milk.
I don't know where he gets the strength, but one day, like I said, we're back in the gym, so I'm gonna be able to get that strength and do those things. Anyway, on today's agenda, I am finally shooting another Instagram skit. I still have to edit a few others, but an idea has come to my mind because something happened the other night that was so funny and relatable. So I will show you guys a little behind the scenes of that. And ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is another beautiful day to get outside, to do some work, inspire yourself, motivate yourself, go get something done today, be productive. Let me see them sunsets, no! But that sunset, no!
But that sunset.
And oh, guess who's back?
Kylie, looking pretty.
Yes, she went away for a day, but she's back. Welcome back to the vlog. Donation headquarters, what's up? And after all of this, we're gonna go out, we're gonna shoot some Instagram pics because I've been slacking on that end, so let's
Get the day
started. Whoop.
First?
I tell you, you're beautiful!
Yeah, lady, that's the only compliment I've ever really gotten.
Arnie.
Yo, what's up?
Oh, you're doing some laundry.
Gotta keep those clothes fresh.
That's what I like to see, bro. Give the people a backflip one time. Let's go, let's go. Woo! That's a good morning, baby.
Arnie, you gotta explain to the people, how do you backflip?
The key is the milk, bro.
When are you gonna stop drinking milk?
Never, because then I'll stop being able to backflip.
Drink the milk, baby. That was me sucking a titty. And speaking of titties and milk, Kylie!
You f***ing kidding me?
What?
Speaking of titties and milk,
What?
you think of me when you think of titties and milk?
Well, you're the only girl here.
I think of cows, so I'm taking that as an insult.
No, I didn't mean it like that. I'm sorry. Are you almost done getting ready? You look very beautiful.
Thank you, that's what they want you to say, Mark.
Oh, she doesn't think I compliment her off camera.
Arnie, you said you wanted to say something to Kylie, right?
You look beautiful.
Aw, thanks.
Oh, so when he says it,
It's aw, thanks. But when I say it, it's like there's an ulterior
That was
motive.
like a meaningful, you know, like...
I told him to say that.
Flashback.
Yo, will you go over and tell her she looks beautiful just so she feels better?
End of flashback.
Get ready. Compliments are done today. While we wait for Kylie to get ready to shoot this video, Arnie's gonna show you guys some gymnastics lessons.
oh. Oh! Are you ready?
Okay, now that Kylie claims to be ready, she has to change outfits.
Woo! Oh, baby, she got them booty shorts on, that nice gray shirt. Oh my God, it's so wrinkly.
I know!
She was saying as she's changing, she's like, Mark, I need to iron this shirt, it's too wrinkly. But the part she's playing is where she's sleeping. No one wakes up with a perfectly...
I wake up with a perfectly ironed shirt every morning, Mark, so speak for yourself.
Must be nice being a freaking goddess.
And now that everybody is ready, guys, I'm gonna tell you guys about the video.
Wait, I thought I was gonna explain it.
Okay, you can explain it.
So the other night we were watching a movie and Mark passes out, but he falls into like a deep sleep, and he had his drink right next to him on the bed, and when he fell asleep, his like arm fell and it knocked the entire drink everywhere, and being as he's a clean freak, I freak out. So I'm like, Mark, and I'm like slapping him on his chest, he's not waking up, so I start slapping him on his face, nothing. And then I...
Whoa. Don't tell him what you did to wake me up.
Okay.
But basically this is the inspiration between the video, because deep sleepers, like nothing wakes them up, and then the smallest little thing does.
Ah, I'm up! What?
What?
I was saying like the smallest thing someone does, and then all of a sudden you're like, up.
Oh. Okay.
Behind the scenes.
Oh, were we supposed to say that together? Okay.
Let's do that again.
Behind the scenes.
Why are you laughing?
Ah!
I think someone's in our house. Mark!
Later.
And we just finished up, guys, a little... Did you just break the couch?
Couch broke me, if anything.
What the hell? Yo, no, you did break the couch. Look, that doesn't push in, that pushes in. You clearly see a dent there.
Oopsie.
Kylie.
The people love me, Mark.
No, she just broke the couch.
You can't see it. It's fine. Out of sight, out of mind.
I don't even know.
So anyways, guys, about what we did today.
I don't know what to say.
Do you have a receipt? Because Mark says receipt
I
instead
love
of receipt.
how we're just making jokes now and she just broke the couch.
Do you have a receipt for the couch?
You know what, Kylie? It's because you got these booty shorts on that said boy.
Boy, bye.
Go change. She's gonna go change. I'm gonna change. Arnie's gonna change because he played the burglar. He played the burglar in the
He
video.
really does look like a burglar.
Yeah, he does. Check it out.
Burglar.
I had gloves on too and made it even look more real.
And we're gonna go take some pictures.
Cute moment.
And now we have changed, guys. This is the man that Kylie wants me to be. Check it out. She wants me in the rocker tee with cuts, down with the cut off things, and then these checkered Vans right here. Arnie, what are your thoughts on this outfit?
I think you're pretty holy.
And Kylie, what do you think of this outfit?
I mean, I love it. I picked it out, so.
Yeah, just smash.
What?
Kylie has on her dress with the checkered Vans. Bam! Arnie's got on the long tee with the khakis matching me. And we've made our way over to this beautiful brick wall with nice windows. Kylie, your thoughts?
Thoughts are I can see and it's in the shade and I like it.
Yeah.
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 That stance though.
Yeah, don't worry about it. So we just finished up taking some flames photos over in a different location. We came back to the car and we came across this here couch, and naturally Arnie's doing backflips off of it. We're gonna put this couch in the middle of the road and take a photo. Game on! And we're back at the house. I got the Banty on. Kylie seems to want to copy me with her Banty. Arnie, why's your shirt off?
Because it was hot today taking photos.
Of us? Oh, thanks.
Oh, yeah, of course. And speaking of that, guys, we all posted on Instagram. Here's my photo. Bam. Leave a like. Let me know the vlog sent you. Here's Kylie's photo. Bam. Leave a like. Let me know the vlog sent you. And here's Arnie's photo. Bam. Leave a like and let us know the vlog sent you. I'm just going for a cool 190,000 likes. Arnie's going for a cool 15,000. And Kylie's going cool 100, right?
Yeah.
100,000. We're breaking records out here, guys. Thank you. The donation is so strong that I know they're gonna meet all these goals. Do you guys have faith in the hashtag donation?
I have faith in the donation. Do you have faith in the
I
donation?
always have faith because y'all did it last time and I love you and I know you guys can do it again.
Bam, pop tag. Bam, pop tag. And bam, pop tag. There they are, baby. Let's go. You guys know what to do. Like and comment.
2 hours.
And now the night continues, and guess who's back, ladies and gentlemen?
Back again.
Lisa!
Tear me apart, Lisa.
We're going to get some sushi right now, guys. We're gonna eat chicken. We're gonna eat teriyaki. We're gonna eat noodles. We're gonna eat rice. We're gonna eat avocado. What are you getting, Lisa?
Veggies.
And I'm eating all that meat. What are you getting, Arnie?
Probably that chicken, boy.
Chicken boy! There's one rule when you come to a Japanese restaurant, and that is, you gotta get the edamame. Nom nom nom. I don't know what it is.
It's the best, Mark.
It's the best. That's all you gotta say. It's the best. Woo! We got the California rolls, baby. Sushi looking gravy. Kylie, what are you eating?
This is the only thing I like and I don't know how because it's raw fish. Nice.
And what are you eating, Lisa?
Avocado.
Whoa, your eyes really accented in this light, the different color of it. Arnie, what'd you get? Poor Arnie.
20 minutes later.
We all finished our meals and Arnie still has not gotten his. Poor Arnie. Guys, so we just finished dinner and I'm walking home and look, this is so sad. Someone lives in our old apartment. No! So many good memories there.
Don't you ever say goodbye. Even if I let you down. All you want for us is time. I can't really take it back.
naturally, since Lisa's back and Kylie's back, I have to put myself in between the two of them and make a girl sandwich. It's time for some girl logic. Girl logic.
But wait.
Today's topic that I do not understand one bit is compliments. So basically, I wasn't complimenting her enough, and then she said, you need to compliment me more. So then I complimented her, and then she got mad at me for complimenting her because she told me to compliment her. And it was a petty compliment, and I didn't mean it, because I only complimented her because she told me to compliment her.
Yes!
The right kind of compliment.
No, but also like I shouldn't have to tell you to compliment.
But
and then if you compliment after I tell you to compliment, it doesn't mean anything because I don't feel like you really meant it.
So
Like,
at what point am I gonna mean it?
I mean, you should have meant it before I had to say you should be complimenting.
So like now, every time I compliment you, it's a petty compliment. It makes no
I
sense.
mean, if it was a great compliment, I would give it to you.
You're beautiful is not good enough.
I mean, there's other compliments you could give that are more not as generic.
Lisa, what are some compliments that you like to receive?
Something that's a little bit more personal to
Thank
me.
I like the way your farts smell.
Yeah.
That'd be
I
great
like your
one.
heterochromia.
Ah, that's her half-colored eye.
No, not only that, but like, let's say like you did something really cool today. Be like, wow, like you fucking killed it.
You're incredibly talented.
Yeah, or like, wow, that looks amazing on you.
You smell like cinnamon.
Or just like, wow, your eyelashes are looking poppin' today.
Your pores are so small.
Yes. Like,
Did you whiten your teeth earlier today?
yeah, or did you even get your hair done? It looks darker. No! If you're a male out there and you have a girlfriend, compliment her. She likes to be complimented. Tell her she's beautiful, that she looks amazing.
I tell you, you're beautiful.
Yeah, lady, that's the only compliment I've ever really gotten from you.
I like your smile. I like your eyes. You're like, oh, those are generic. From day one, I told her I don't want to give her
No,
those types of
you
compliments.
said
Then she
no.
says it means more coming from you.
Okay, you're so right.
Girl logic. So guys, listen to this story off the topic of girl logic. This is actually a really funny story. Lisa, take it away.
Okay guys, listen to this story. So I ran into somebody yesterday at the Grove. They recognized me. They said they're a fan. And they started talking to me. They tell me that all their friends are going to be super excited that they got to meet me. And that it was really incredible that somebody that they've been watching for over 30 years is standing right in front of them. By the way, I'm not over 30 years old yet. The next thing I know, he refers to me from a different name and thinks that I am a playmate turned photographer who, by the way, Googled after is 52 years old. So I don't know if he was doing her a favor by saying that like I look really good for being 52.
Moral of the story is, know who you're talking to. All right, guys, it's good to have the ladies back in the vlogs talking girl logic. I want you all to comment down below a compliment you've given or received that you did not like. And I'll be responding to you guys as always. Don't forget to hit those goals on our Instagram pages. Boom, boom, boom. Donation is super, super strong. Shout out to the entire donation for watching, especially my girl Nancy. And I will see you guys all tomorrow with a brand new vlog. So until then, say it with me one time. Deuces! Digging myself into a hole with this conversation, guys.
Very true.
Lisa, put the last sprinkles on top. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I'm dead.